Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to do a real-time analysis of Nearcoin. How I would go about this. How I would go about analyzing a coin on what to take a play on. So, first of all, daily trend. You could go weekly as well. So I guess yeah, you start off weekly. I always start off higher time frames and then work my way down. If this coin was having the setup here at $1, it wouldn't be that crazy to me. But now that it's had a run up, it's kind of proved itself. So we're going to check the daily chart mainly. I will not take a trade if it doesn't look good on the daily chart. So we have this uptrend going. First, number one thing, higher lows. Okay. Right here, we were kind of in a downtrend, right? With lower lows and lower highs. Now we're creating higher lows and higher highs. Now, the biggest, most important part, we are approaching, this whole place was a resistance zone, really. So we are at this resistance zone. This is one of my favorite setups. I've spoken about this so much. Higher highs, and each time you tap the resistance zone is like the most bullish sign that you could possibly ask for. Now, that's generally speaking if we break up. So if we break above the zone, we might retest it, and then we should like fly sky high. So let me check on Bitcoin. I've already spoken about this before. Let me try to find the place where you could really see how the higher highs and higher lows signal. Okay, it would be right there, really. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to 4-hour chart so that we can see, but it's right here, really. Okay, right here. Basically, that was the resistance zone, and as you can see, we tap it here, or sorry, we start here. We come down, create a high, a low. Sorry. Then we tap here, and then we create a higher low. Then we tap here, although it is a lower high, but that's kind of irrelevant because obviously we were tapping a resistance zone. We create a higher low. Sorry, this has to be moved. Then we create this here, or even here, and then higher low. And then here, and then this is technically lower than this one. But I think you get the point, really. Like, we keep tapping this zone, and we keep creating a higher low. And then what ends up happening is eventually, because we're in an uptrend and keep touching this zone, it's just like a clear setup to break up and have a massive run. So as you can see, we went from 38K to 44K. That is a gain of, if we want to use this, about 16-17%. So very, very useful. Now, the next thing on near, on top of that, I'll delete those later actually, is that the lower time frame charts look nice. So with near on the 4-hour time frame, we have a downtrend. But then what happens here? This is switching to an uptrend because this high is higher than this high and also this one. That's a good sign too. So now all we need to confirm an uptrend is a higher low compared to this low. So now we should go like this, something like this. It might not be as sharp, it might not be as whatever, shallow. It could be sharper or whatever, but that's the general idea. So, quite literally, this is my favorite play. I would have my stop loss right there, just under. So this is 7.3. 7.33. I think I made mine 7.29 or something. Um, but yeah, TP price target. You could take profit if you want to be safe here. But with the way that Ethereum and Bitcoin are setting up, I will not be. I'm just looking for entries on all these coins. Technically it's not spot. Technically it is leveraged, but I'm just so confident in these plays right now. Now let's look at Ondo and let's look at how similar Near is. So it had a similar play. Okay, we'll go over it. We got these higher lows, they're very minimally higher. And they're not touching this resistance zone, so it's not exactly the same. But it still ended up performing well. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, what happened? We were in the downtrend here, and then really right here, we created a higher low. Sorry, I mess up. It's a tongue twister, okay? A higher high, sorry. And then we came down and we created a higher low. From this point on, we were in an uptrend. So then we confirmed another uptrend by breaking this high compared to this high, and I caught it at 0.9393. So I literally caught the bottom. But wait, where's 9393? About there. That's 9395, whatever. I caught it on this wick. So what I'm saying is this is where we are on near, or maybe here. So if this plays out, it will be amazing. Just look at Ondo, especially that it's in price discovery. If near plays out, if we do bounce here, which it looks like we have been, if we hold up and create a higher high and go on an uptrend, we are making lots of money. Especially considering that near is associated with Ethereum, and the Ethereum ETFs will definitely be bullish over the next several months. Depends when they get instated into the market, once they come to the market. But yeah, definitely don't look away from near. This is not financial advice, but definitely keep an eye on it and do your own research, because I think it's a great opportunity. But yeah, have a good day, guys. See you in the next one.